you can see right now, I am somewhere in a remote village in Africa. I am not in town. When you go to YouTube and type in African family, you will see so many videos. However, in today's video, I personally decided to put on a dera and spend my day with this beautiful African family. In this village, we use firewood to boil water and to prepare food. In Swahili, one bunch is called fungu and the firewood itself is called kuni. A typical fungu consists of 10 to 15 dry branches. In a day, this family can use 1 to 2 fungus. Ani mambo. Watu wamebeba hivi nakwambia. Si mambo ya town haya. The kuni is used for cooking. In this village, there is a grandmother who happens to be a widow. She sells local artifacts for a living. Get some, you just call the delivery person or you just go for it to the market so that you can be able to cook your... She uses a plant called minya to make homemade mats called mkeka. Moving on, let me show you the kitchen. This is where cooking is done. As you can see, there is no modern equipment. Once the dishes are clean, they are placed on a mat and set out in the sun to dry. And by the way guys, if you are genuinely enjoying this content, this would be the perfect time to hit the subscribe button. I'm not gonna lie, it takes so much time and effort to make these videos. So right now it's currently in the evening, and as you can see, we are lighting up the fire so that we can cook. And what the hell? What the heck? Now navunja maua ya bibi. Hey. The flower is protected. Come see this flower. It is protected. So this is what we use here. We compromise some things so that we can be able to work this shit out. And this is our broom, what we normally use around here. Okay, these are just like trees. No, they're just plants that were dried up, then they were put together. You know, we don't have the money to buy a broom, so we just use this. And you see, it cleans. It does the same work. Okay? So it doesn't disappoint us. And still, our hygiene is top. Tell me on your side what you normally use so that we can know how we can improve ourselves. But in the meantime, we are going to use this. It's our magic broom around here. As you can see around here, we have this unfinished house. We have the unfinished house over here, but very soon it's gonna be complete. Can you hear that? There's a mosque around here, definitely. There's a mosque around here, so if anytime you wanna pray, when it's time, you just go to the mosque and pray. It's just 15 minutes far from here. And this is another toilet that we have. Okay. Here. And next to this place, we have a banana plant too. The banana plant is getting nutrients. So, of which, you see? As you step out, we have a goat over there. We have a brown goat. The goat doesn't want to be recorded. It's so bad. They're running now. They're running away. They cannot contain our vibration around here. But he's so happy, guys. I want to know where you're watching from. You who is watching me right now, I am somewhere in a remote village. You see that? Right now they are going home. 3 musketeers. What the heck? So now the fire is now ready. The fire is now ready. Come. We are cooking. You see? The fire is all good. We only have water right here, so it's gonna warm fast. Then now we proceed with the cooking. You know, the smoke is so natural. You can also see Grandma is doing some work over here. This is some unfinished work, but she's going to make a very beautiful mat using this.
This village has been built up on a total area of approximately 1/8 of an acre.
This is what they use to make the mat, and this is right now. This mat is incomplete.
There's so many activities going on in this beautiful village.
Look on this. It just broke this. Was it Muhsin's toy? Was it your toy? As I was saying, this is the mat. You know, this is incomplete, but this is complete. This is how a mat looks like around here. We normally use mats to sit on them while eating as family, you know? And around here we normally sit like this while using the mat. You cross your legs together, then you sit. Then now you pray. Then you eat. Okay? That's okay. So here we don't have sofa sets, nor couches, if you say so. Around here we all have mats, and we have this type of seats. This.
I shall now be releasing weekly uploads so that you guys can get to experience the real feeling of Africa. Share this video with your rich, arrogant friends. Bye, loves. See you in the next video.